Hi, my name is Thomas Hauska. I'm the kitchen manager and head chef at Planet Fun Stars Grill. The whole basis of Planet Fun is like 32-lane bowling arcade, drive-in, we have a movie theater, and then we have the whole entire restaurant side of Stars Grill. It's nothing to sell 50 orders of mozzarella sticks in a night on Friday or Saturday. And then that's the same thing with mushrooms or jalapeno poppers. It definitely makes a difference having the Mel Fry because our quality of food's way better, and like the fryer oil lasts longer. We used to have to change our fryer oil 3 or 4 times a week with how busy our volume is. Now it's down to 1 time a week. When we first got the Mel Fry oil in, we have like a little test kit to like kind of compare, and you can just like drop the oil with this little thing and you can combine, like put it right beside your dirty oil, like a tester kit basically. And we were testing from the old oil to the new oil for about a week and a half until we made the switch completely, and you can tell a huge difference. The volume is what it is at this place, and we're only changing the oil 1 time a week with Mel Fry, then it's going to do the same thing for you, because we have some of the most crazy volume I've ever dealt with before, and Mel Fry makes a huge difference in changing 1 time a week compared to 3.